Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my Shernett'Es. Happy birthday to you. Ha! You are young, gifted, black, anointed, fabulous, and I want to wish you a happy birthday today. What a something. You're out and about. I know you're not staying home, but I wish you God's blessing, Sherns, and that everything that you desire will come to you. Your hands are blessed. You're anointed from the crown of your head to the sole of your feet, and you're just you, and we love you for being you. From all of us at Saturday Morning Runnings, we say, enjoy your day. See you soon.
Hey Sherns, this is your big day. Yes, it's your birthday. Oh my gosh, you deserve a wonderful celebration. So guess what? I am putting in my 2 cents, and I just want to say happy birthday to you, girl. Enjoy your day. Whatever you do, just own it because it's yours. It's your birthday, right? So I just want to say happy birthday, and remember, yours truly, Maxine Lyons, aka Max Poet, loves you.